Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basic 3D modeling. Exercise number 3. First, select the new part, then pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw two lines at right angles apart. Now, specify the dimensions of the line using Smart Dimensions command. Then, select Features option in the Extruded bars. Specify the length of extrusion at 100 mm and change the direction of thin features. Now, select the right plane and give sketch. Draw two circles over the part. Specify its vertical and horizontal dimensions with respect to the part. Give the relation equal between two circles. Now, after dimensioning, in Features option, select Extruder Cut. Change the direction of the extrusion and the end condition as throw all. OK. Now, select each corner of the part and give fillet. Specify the radius as given in the manual. Now, select the top plane and give sketch. Use slot command to draw a slot over the path. Specify the vertical and horizontal dimension of the slot using Smart Dimension command. After sketching, in Features, select Extruder Cut. Specify the end condition at throw all. Change the direction and OK. Now, under Linear Pattern, select Mirror. Specify the entity at Cut Extrude and give the mirror face or plane as front plane. Now, select the front plane and give sketch. Draw a line connecting top and bottom of the part and select Rip command. Specify its dimension as given in manual. Now, change the material of the part to IS2062. Now check the mass properties in evaluate.